Welcome to our van life with our 4 Chihuahuas, episode 42. We spent the day sightseeing in Zion National Park to enjoy the beautiful scenery. Thank you for joining us and stay tuned for more.
Hey everybody, we are all here up on Mount Carmel in Zion National Park, taking in the views. This is a beautiful spot for lots of awesome pictures, great view of a cave arch. What do you think, Pia?
This is amazing. We're so glad that we went, even though we're only here for a few days.
Yeah, and even though the dogs can't make it to a lot of spots, there's really cool views over there. Looks like there's even a petroglyph right across from here. So like a lot of cool spots that you can check out here. And it's a beautiful day, sunny in the 60s. Can't ask for anything more. Little different view. You can see the big cave you can hike up to right behind us now. What do you think?
This is so beautiful here. We wish that we could spend more time, a lot longer. There are areas that we can't bring our dogs, and unfortunately we won't get to see those at this time, but the dogs are having fun. We're also having fun, so we're really happy to be here.
No stops.
Are we holding our breath?
Good try. I don't think we can make it. It's dark. Would have been a tough one.
It's not as long as the
Oh, it's got a gap.
wow.
Whoa. Up at snow level. Looks like a former creek bed. A cactus. It's like prickly pear. Cool little washout down there.
Washout?
Yeah. Yeah, this is a remarkably smaller national park than Yosemite. I think it's a little bit bigger than Pinnacle, so.
We reached the end of Zion National Park, so we turned around and we're on our way back to the main entrance. We're gonna try to hit the visitor center. We didn't have luck looking for parking space earlier. It was super packed. So now we are to the visitor center. We're probably gonna go back into town and figure out what we're gonna do the rest of the day. We're probably gonna go see some more places. Do you remember that website what the guy from the Storyteller Meetup recommended?
Yeah, I have it in my phone.
So we get, what was it?
Forget the name of it. I have to look at my phone.
So we'll see what we are gonna do next. One of the guys that we met from the Storyteller Facebook group had recommended a website where it lists all things that you can check out or do in different places. So we'll check that out.
Yeah, it's kind of like the off-the-wall type of places.
Yeah, so we're gonna check that out and then we'll go from there. This is a different point of view now compared to since we're turned around. And the park is actually a lot smaller than what I expected. I thought it would be as big as Yosemite.
But we didn't get to go to the scenic drive.
We would have loved to have seen the scenic drive for sure. They close beginning April, so we missed out on that. Boba, are you out of your backpack? What are you doing? Are you sightseeing?
But there's a spot right there.
Oh, you can park maybe in front of the van.
There's a spot right there too.
Okay.
By the arm.
He literally grabbed me like I was getting detained.
Grab by the arm.
So their visitor center is comprised of 3 spots basically. They have the wilderness ticket area, which you need to get a reservation to be able to go and hike places like the Narrows or the Angel's Landing. And then they had the gift shop, and then they had an information spot where you can ask questions. So very clean, well laid out. I got you a beanie
Nice. I needed
since
a new
Pia
beanie.
needs a new one.
Okay.
And then I got another hat for us.
Nice.
We're collecting national park hats. I like this one. They had lots of cool.
That is a nice hat, actually.
I got, at Pia's request, a couple different magnets.
I collect magnets everywhere we go.
And we got a couple cool stickers. This is actually a sticker that can go on vinyl, I believe. I got a Van Zion sticker.
I love it.
And we got the collectible Zion National Park sticker, as well as another one that's a little bit bigger. So these can go on our van or different spots. So a couple different options on the stickers.
Thank you.
Lots of good stuff. And then all the historical stuff that I like is all outside. So I took some video of those pieces, including the actual full history of Zion, which was, as you would expect, Native Americans and European explorers with Spanish conquistadors, and then it was actually truly named Zion from Mormon explorers that founded a couple establishments. And so the whole town, Springdale, was a Mormon camp
That's interesting.
that Brigham Young ordered them to explore this area.
Sounds like we made good progress today.
Yeah, lots of good stuff.